Welcome back to InnoTech. Today, we're exploring the skill that's changing the way people use AI, prompt engineering. Today, we covered the fundamentals of prompt engineering, from writing better prompts to using JSON and Markdown in your daily workflow. What if I told you the biggest mistake people make with AI has nothing to do with the AI itself? Most people think better AI gives better results, but that's not true.
The real difference comes from one thing: how you communicate with AI.
A prompt is simply the instructions you give AI to complete a task. Think of it like giving directions. The clearer your instructions, the better AI understands what you want. Let's test that idea with a real example. Imagine you ask AI, "Write me a blog about AI." It looks like a good prompt, but AI is still missing some important information. Who is this blog for? How long should it be? And what writing style should AI use? Let's make this prompt more specific by adding the right information. Now let's rewrite the prompt with clear instructions instead of leaving the model guessing. Write a 700-word beginner-friendly blog about AI for students. Use simple English, clear headings, real examples, and end with 3 practical tips. Compared to our first prompt, this prompt gives us a much better response. Clearer explanations, better structure, and more useful information. We didn't change the AI, we changed the instructions. And that's the secret behind every great prompt. We didn't change the AI, we changed the instructions. And that's the secret behind every great prompt. See the difference? Same AI, same question, 3 different prompts, and 3 completely different outcomes. Let's look at the simple formula behind every great prompt. Once you know these 2 formats, prompting becomes much easier. By now, you've seen how powerful good prompts can be. But here's the interesting part. There are actually 2 simple ways to write them. The first method is JSON. Think of it as a blueprint for AI. Everything is organized, structured, and easy for the model to understand. Then there's Markdown, my personal favorite. It's simple, easy to read, and perfect for everyday prompting. JSON gives you structure. Markdown gives you simplicity. Master both, and you'll be thinking like a prompt engineer. So the next time you open ChatGPT, try using JSON or Markdown and see the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new about prompt engineering today. I'll see you in the next video.